Well, let's see if the cops are out today. I don't know. Don't ask me why I came back here just the day after I left. There's the old highway. I'm gonna be the only one out here. But I already know what I'm looking for. Alright, welcome back everybody to the Kusawati River. Yeah, this is actually the Kusawati. The river that it intersects with is some name I can't even pronounce, so I'm not even going to try it. Just look it up. Yeah, you want to see that crazy car that was thrown down the boat ramp. Yeah, it didn't fall off the bridge. It didn't. There's no evidence that anything was driven off the bridge. Like Dukes of Hazzard style, or Jackass style. No evidence out here. Not even over there. But I had to come back out here so I can do some investigation. I did. Because you know me, I'm the jack of all trades. I don't give up on anything. Oh, the waters are down maybe they're down maybe a few inches. Because I can tell the current right in the middle. The middle right there. Yeah, it's beautiful out here. I couldn't get enough yesterday. That's why I'm back. It's 70 miles from the house. But I came here to investigate. I did. We're going to go in that little Newtown Creek over here on the side where we started off yesterday. Yeah, look at this scary scene right here. This is going to be forever etched into my mind. It is. I'm surprised I didn't have nightmares about being drowned in some car. There's groceries in the back of it. Do you see that? There was groceries in the back. Something party size. I can't go back. I mean, we'll go back later. It hasn't been in there that long. It hasn't, because all that stuff in the back of the window floating up was not there yesterday. Yes, they only made it here yesterday. And I turned my butt around because I was afraid they were going to hit me with a golf ball. Jackass style. Look at that big turtle sitting in there. Look at that. That's nasty. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to get through there, guys. I'm not. Well, I know what you're saying. It's easy. I just need to hide my kayak. I do. That's exactly what I need to do is hide the kayak. Alright, pick my poison. To walk in this, to hang on to my kayak. It'll be stupid for me to, it'll be dumb of me to sit in my kayak to go 10 feet. So I'm going to have to do it nasty style. Well, it's already 4 o'clock. Yeah. So the old bridge was probably, this is a new one on Newtown Creek. Look how shallow this thing is. Yeah. All right. I got to get around here. I'm not going to walk in this nasty stuff. It looks to be about 2 feet deep. You're going to tell Da Vinci, man, you're a prima donna, man. I am. I do like getting dirty. Look how deep that is. Yeah, it's probably about 3 feet deep right here. There's a boot. All right, that's not good. Let's just hope it's a workman's boot that's been there for about a month. I didn't want to see that. Man. Now you see why I don't want to be in here walking? We just saw a boot. What if it's attached to a foot? Yeah, anything could be up here though. See the clearing up here? I'll just tell the sheriff's department, you know, I was out here yesterday. I'm the one who dumped the car. That's exactly what they're going to think. This crazy guy who lives in Atlanta is down here investigating something that no one knows about. You better believe it. Yeah. Alright, this sucks. This bank is high. I think I just stepped on an axe head. Oh well. Man. Alright, so here's where the old road was. I'm still looking. I don't know what I'm looking for. Yeah. I'm making too much noise out here. I am. I need to get around this bend right here. Alright, so here's the old road, which goes adjacent to the parking area. So there's something in these woods right here. Too bad the bank is too high to see anything. Am I going to have to drag this up this hill? I can't do that though, guys. I can't, because it's going to ruin the bottom of it. It's going to ruin the bottom of my my kayak. I'm not about to jeopardize one of my babies that helps me be free, unless I want to get out that Flex Seal stuff, buy about 20 of them to fix my boat, my kayak. All right, we're around. We're around. All right, something smells rank. It does. What should I do, guys? What should I do? I don't want to make this some 7-hour video for nothing. Got to put my kayak up here. Crap. I hope we don't have some kind of flash flood. You think my kayak's going to be all right for about 20 minutes? I don't know. Dang. And look what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a bright swimsuit out here. All right, here's the old road. Probably circa maybe a year ago. All right. So did somebody do something bad against themselves or something up here? I'm about to find out. All right. Look at me out here in my crazy creek walking shoes and a swimsuit, nothing else. Man, if there's a snake out here, I'm going to be looking for snakes other than bodies. Yeah, you got your prime suspect right here. People are seeing this guy in the woods looking around. Yeah, because I'm an explorer. I am. I need to be looking up, guys. I do. I need to be looking up. Hey, look, party balloon. Yeah. What'd I tell you about them party balloons? It's going to be a party on heaven on earth when you come out here and pick up your garbage. I'm never going to get past this, guys. I'm not. I guess I'll have to go backwards and go back to the parking area. And then people are going to see this bright blue kayak sitting out there. All right, let me get up here. I see a paint can, of course. Go figure. Cover the earth with your garbage. Yeah, I'm going to have to go up and go around. People are going to see me. I know they are. That's okay. I'm just a freelance investigator. Let me go ahead and get my butt up there. I'm going to have to go all the way around. I can't climb up there. You know how snakes like to sit around? But you're going to say, Da Vinci, man, you're going to come across a bottle dump. Prepare yourself. You're going to come across something you're going to like. Yeah. What if they hung themselves? I have to look for oddities by blending foreground and background. Colors of everything. All right, let me go ahead and get up there the right way. Not the dangerous way. Sight to behold right there, ladies and gentlemen. The old highway probably dates back to 1930s. And they wiped it out less than a year ago. That's crazy. Yeah. Oh. There we go, some milk thistle, I think that is. Well, there are no bones or hands sticking out of the ground. That's good. More importantly, is there any snakes? Alright, so this sucks. Parking area is over here on the left. Man, that's one heck of a flood zone right there. Look at that. You can tell it's a flood zone. It's all dirty down there. All the leaves are covered in sand. Alright. That's cool. We're on an old road. See, I can't see the light transition. I can't see the light. Oh man, there's a garbage bag out there with a bunch of garbage in it, where people just toss it into the woods. Alright, don't see any gun casings, don't see any blood. Oh well. Alright, that was a good run. I got some sun too. Man, that feels good. First day of fall, going to get sunburn. You can't beat that, people. You're going to carry, the Vince's going to carry our tan deep into the wintertime. He is. Alright. Sorry about the boring video. Maybe something might be exposed in the wintertime or something when all these weeds, when they go to sleep. Alright. Man. You better pray you see my kayak sitting down there. Let's pray. Let's pray. Are we going to see some bright blue object down there? Yeah, there it is right there. Okay, good. We're good. Wow. Look. That's awesome. Reference picture. Man, look at that image. Look how the darkness shares and combines with the light. Could it mean something? I don't know. Maybe if you look at it just right, it looks like a pointing finger pointing us that way. Yeah. Bingo. Welcome to Da Vinci's world. Look at that image. Man. Reference picture. Ooh, what do we have here? A diamond ring. There's glass all up in this bank in the bottom. I'm going to slice my foot open. Oh, great. The current's pulling us back. Hold on. Who knows what's in here? Man. Oh, we got some melted glass here. We do. Somebody had a fire. Oh, what's that? Jack Daniels? Gotta be Jack Daniels. I know my bottles. Trust me. Da Vinci knows his bottles. Look at all that up in there. I'm getting out of this place. Alright, back where we began today, guys. Sorry about the darkness out here. I don't smell anything that smells rank. Maybe I will as soon as I get up there. I don't know. What the heck is that?